This super easy 2-ingredient recipe will eliminate your nail fungus forever. Despite being extremely unattractive, nail fungus also represents a serious health issue. In this case, the most common treatment includes antibiotics, but these synthetic medications can cause some harmful side effects. Therefore, you should turn to the natural medicine. However, remember that if you treat this issue early, you will obtain fast results. On the other hand, if you wait before you act, the fungus can settle down and cause further complications and health problems. Today, we will suggest the best natural remedy in the case of nail fungus. It contains only 2 ingredients, and we believe that you already have them in your kitchen. Namely, these 2 are baking soda and apple cider vinegar. These are extremely effective in the fight against fungi, and these germs only thrive in a limited pH range. Yet, baking soda is alkaline in nature, while apple cider vinegar is acidic. Hence, their mixture is incredibly successful in fighting the ideal fungal environment, and preventing fungal development. Furthermore, apple cider vinegar is extremely useful in the case of numerous other diseases. Yet, for best results, always use brands that contain the mother substance floating at the bottom of the bottle, as it is responsible for the most of these benefits of apple cider vinegar. Here's the recipe of the amazing 2-ingredient remedy. Ingredients: baking soda, apple cider vinegar, warm water. Instructions: in a small basin, pour some apple cider vinegar, and soak your feet in it for 20 minutes. Pat them dry. Fill the basin with water and again soak your feet in it for 20 minutes. Next, add baking soda to the water, and leave your feet to soak for another 20 minutes. This procedure should be done few times a day. The treatment should be done on clean and dry feet. If you repeat it frequently, nail fungus will disappear in several weeks. Fungi thrive in a dark and moist environment, so try to wear pip-toe shoes as often as possible. Furthermore, it is also very important to do regular pedicure, and clean the nail tips using a brush and some tea tree oil. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.